I made a promise to myself to not make long videos on YouTube. Firstly, because who wants to watch long videos? And secondly, who wants to edit long videos? Hi everyone, welcome to your favorite graphic design tutorials channel. This is Nomfundo Fundile, your graphic designer, the DesignFundi. So the last time we went through the Adobe Illustrator toolbar in just under 10 minutes, and today we're going to be taking a deeper dive into the text tool. So remember that whenever you right click, or rather left click on your mouse after hovering on each tool, you get to uncover and explore more functionalities from that tool. So today we're going to be doing just that with the text tool. Are you ready? Let's get started. I wonder what you guys can do with this tool. I was just playing around with it because I wanted to make everyone familiar with the possibilities of what you can do with Adobe Illustrator. Once you're on your Adobe Illustrator, you're going to say new file. Now we're going to be creating a social media template. This is a template that I would like to, this is a design or an artwork that I would like to post on my social media. So we'll make it Instagram size, which is 1080 by 1350 pixels. So we're going to name this type tool, you can name it anything, tutorial. Cool, width is 1080, height is 1350 pixels. Those are the units of measurements we are using. Orientation 2, and I'm going to be designing 4 artboards with this. So I'm going to say 4 on here. There's no bleed, there's no there's no bleed. It's a digital artwork, RGB mode, screen 72, and then we're going to create, and we have 3 artboards instead of 4. But to line up my artboards, I'm going to just click on the artboard tool here, line them up, add another one, so there's 4. In fact, cool, I can say rearrange all. Actually, there's 4, and I want a spacing of 100 pixel in between them. Perfect. And that's it for today. Please remember to like, subscribe, and follow us actually on all our social media platforms. But most of all, please like and subscribe for us to beat the YouTube algorithm. And then check out our social media platforms. You might just love engaging with us on there. Join me again next week, same time, same place, 4 p.m. South African time, which is UTC plus 2 or GMT plus 2.